1985 Chevrolet C10 regular cab short box here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Good look to this truck and a lot of modern things done to it. We're going to hit on some of these as we walk around. First of all, underneath the hood, 6-liter full roller motor. That is paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes. Go ahead and take a peek at the front chrome bumper. See what kind of condition that is in. Grill, everything looking good up front here. Paint also shows well on this one. I'm going to go through a list from the previous owner of this truck, things he's recently done to it. And you'll also be able to see what I'm talking about in the still pictures, just so you know. So if you click through the still pictures, you're going to be able to see the engine bay, underside, interior, and then the list of what I'm going to go through. I'll try to catch on everything. If I don't, check it out in the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, wheels, more of a modern design, but yet made to look old school. There's something about those look good on this truck. This truck's also going to come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That's included in the purchase and may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, that 6-liter I mentioned underneath the hood is a full roller motor, aluminum heads, Edelbrock carb, actually a 750 4-barrel on there. These things are done in 2022. There's 8 custom tune settings. It has had the 7118 carb swap kit. Take a peek at the interior. The USB chip will be in the glove box, just so you know. Black vinyl interior, bench seat, looks good. Of course, the 5-speed manual shifter on the floor. Spare tire mounted in the bed. And then as you can see, also a spray-in liner. Some of the things you're going to see when we look underneath the hood, I'm going to start it up at the end of the video. You can see new water pump, high output alternator, also starter and belt all replaced, 2022. Battery and cables done at the same time. Headman headers on there, 2.5-inch turbo exhaust, fuel pump, sending unit, regulator, all done in 2022. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate about that 10-year extension on the one that is included with the purchase of this vehicle. 3-core radiator is aluminum, also electric fan up there, heater hoses, seasonal valves so you can actually turn that on and off. Radiator hoses and thermostat all replaced in 2022, and you're going to see these things when we look underneath the hood as we get a good look at the driver's side, up and down it. Transmission was professionally rebuilt in 2023, just so you know. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. As you can see, door panels look good. You'll be able to see pictures of the undersides of the doors and the under body of this truck in the still pictures. Carpeting, vinyl seats, seat belt still intact, all looking good. A few more of the things that you're going to see on the list in the still pictures that were recently done. Clutch, flywheel, throwout bearing, drive shaft, speed box conversion to GPS, all done in 2022. Also complete brake job, front and rear, with the flex hoses, ball joints, steering linkage, alignment, all in 2022, and a suspension drop kit. Just so you know, the color of this is Victory Red. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Here's the electric fuel pump, electric fans. Wipers do work, had those working, as you can see. Retro sound style radio, digital, also working. Look at the top of the dash, looking good. Rest of the cab. Nice sounding truck too. Slip around to the back of this. We looked at the cab there a little bit. FYI, all glass and weather stripping was done in 2022, as well as the dash pad, seat covers, carpeting, door cards, stereo. That was all 2022 also. Dash bezel, oil gauge. There's a little aftermarket one underneath the dash on that tack. See it right down there? All that was also done. And like I said, take your time looking through the still pictures. There'll be probably close to 100 pictures of this truck online, uniqueclassiccars.com, and you'll see the list of what I'm talking about in with those still pictures. But right now, I'm going to pause this so we can pop this hood, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up. Take a look at the underside of the hood. Clean and tidy there. There's that engine bay. Again, power steering, power brakes. As you can see the heads and headers. Edelbrock carb. Edelbrock intake manifold. And again, that 6-liter full roller motor. You can see new water pump. Serpentine belt system. Sounds good. Looks good underneath there. Nicely done. Take a look there. Aluminum radiator. Electric fan. 1985 Chevrolet C10. Regular cab. Short box. Just a little bit of a resto mod truck. Nice setup. And remember, it comes with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. May be extendable out to 10. Consult with your sales associate. Call in 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1985 Chevrolet C10. This is a manual transmission, shifter on the floor. As you can see, the rear view mirror did just fall off. That's an easy glue back on. Our tachometer on the column is working well, speedometer is working well. Fuel tank is reading a quarter. Our oil pressure gauge is over 60. That may not function. Temperature is reading cold. That probably does not function. Battery gauge does show charging at about 14.5. Aftermarket radio.
Definitely.
That works well. Wipers are working. She stays right in the lane when you let go of the wheel. Not pull in either direction. The brakes are working really good. A little squeak on the clutch pedal there. Corners well. This truck's a great runner, starts up right away, idles right away. Good power. Really good sound in the exhaust. Check out this 85 C10 at uniqueclassiccars.com. GoPro, stop capturing.